Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I am here with an outgoing swap for the Paper Art Swaps group. And this one is a waterfall embellishment swap. And so what we had to do was we had to create like a waterfall packaging, and we had to include 5 layers, and we had to include embellishments. I think we had to have at least 3 handmade embellishments, and then the other 2 could be like store-bought or like trim or something, but I just ended up making all of mine. So I used the Buenos collection, and so this is what I created for my partner, which is Susan Guerrero. I'm going to include her Instagram, and you might remember she had sent me the Gorgeous Girls several videos back, and so this is what I made for her. So I used the chipboard stickers and some of the ephemera and the paper to make a bag topper. And then the first layer, I made some mini florals with the paper collection. And then I used the KS Crafts flip-flop dies, and I made some flip-flops, super cute, made some shakers, and then I made another pair in pink. And then the next layer, I made some of the fancy rosettes with my Cricut, with also with the paper. And then in this layer, we have some bows that I made. Super cute bows using glitter and then using the paper. And then I took the leftover sequins and I just stuck them on the bottom there. So that's what that looks like. And that's what I'm gonna be sending my partner. And I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.